Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back for another video in the Cryptocation channel. In this video guys, I will make a small review about the Optimism token. A token guys today down 9%. As you can see guys, the Optimism token today have a rank of 69 on CoinMarketCap with a price of $1.80, market cap $500 million guys, and the volume of 360, almost $370 million. The all-time low is 0.49 months ago, and the all-time high is $4.57 9 months ago either. And as you can see guys, the token available on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and a lot of exchanges. So guys, today Optimism down almost 10% and the volume down 30%. So guys, Optimism is led by the Optimism Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to growing the Optimism ecosystem. Similar to the Ethereum, Optimism aims to become a fully decentralized public good that is not profit-oriented. Optimism is completely funded by donations and grants and pledged to produce infrastructure that promotes the growth and sustainability of public goods. So guys, Optimism, or the OP, is the layer 2 blockchain on top of the Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism by ultimately secured on the Ethereum. Optimism is one of the biggest scaling solutions of Ethereum with over $500 million guys. It is home of 97 protocols, the biggest being Synthetix, a derivative exchange, Uniswap, and Vledrom. Users can begin their journey on Optimism by adding the chain on their MetaMask and bridging tokens like Ethereum on the layer 2. On May 31, 2022, Optimism conducted a highly anticipated airdrop for its OP token. So guys, Optimism is designed around 4 cores: simplicity, pragmatism, sustainability, and optimism. Optimism aims for the minimum number of moving parts while building a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. And practice, this means using proven Ethereum code and infrastructure when possible. Optimism aims to keep its code as simple as possible and work directly with existing code bases. Also guys, Optimism's design process is built around the idea of long-term sustainability and not taking shortcuts for scalability. That is why it uses optimistic rollups and takes advantage of the consensus mechanism of Ethereum to scale the network. Blocks are constructed and executed on the layer 2 Optimism, while user transactions are batched up and submitted to the layer 1 Ethereum. The layer 2 has not a mempool and transactions are immediately accepted or rejected. This guarantees a smooth user experience while ensuring security through the Ethereum consensus mechanism. Transactions are submitted to Ethereum without direct proof of validity and can be changed for a certain period of time, currently 7 days. After that, a transaction is considered final. That's why withdrawals from Optimism to Ethereum take 7 days to complete. So that's all guys for the Optimism token for today. I wish you benefit from this small review guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like if you like it of course, and see you in the next video.